Welcome to the Resto-Rob channel. Today I've got these Fuller Lyman's pliers that I was over at my dad's and he handed to me, and see what you can do. So today we're going to work on these Fuller Lyman's pliers. They were made Japan, stamped Japan, Fuller 194-8. So my dad pretty much gave me a challenge. He handed me these rusty nasty pliers and this is what I came up with. So sit back and enjoy and watch how I restore these pliers. This is what the pliers looked like before I started restoration. I started out by washing these pliers. My wire wheel does a good job at removing the rust. I got the 180 grit fiber wheel and it seems to work pretty good. Here are the pliers after the wire wheel and the fiber wheel. I'm using my belt sander and a 60 grit sanding belt to remove the casting marks. I'm using my orbital sander with finer grit sandpaper to clean up and polish the metal. I'm using my buffing wheel to make it shiny. Here is everybody's favorite part, the before and the after. Let's test these pliers out. I like the way these pliers work. They seem to work pretty well. Well, there you have it. This is completed pliers for my dad. So I'll probably run them over probably tomorrow and give them to him. I've been restoring lots of his tools, been sneaking over and cleaning up his tools and taking them back to him, and he seems to be pretty tickled, so I'm pretty happy. And love you, Dad. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.